Hi, I'm Lindsey Redding, Investment Planning Specialist with Precept Wealth Management. It's 2024. I cannot believe we've already finished another year. 2023 was, as my grandfather used to say, a humdinger of a year. It sure did feel like a bad year, even though economically it was pretty darn good. So let's look at some of the good, the bad, and the ugly from 2023. First, the bad. 3 words: Israel, Gaza, Ukraine. These 3 words alone could make anyone feel like it was one of the worst years we've had in quite some time. Add to that the impact that cable and social media have when social unrest is abound. Then we had the rising federal debt, which brought about from the war of Ukraine and political turmoil happening in the US and abroad. This can put anyone into a mood of despair. But despite all of this, economically, the market was astounding. Much of this was brought on by the Magnificent Seven: Tesla, Amazon, Google, Apple, NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Facebook. The digital climate controlled the majority of the growth in 2023. S&P was up 26%, core fixed income up 5.5%, and NASDAQ was up 44% in 2023. On even more positive news, GOP has grown, payroll jobs have been added significantly, and unemployment rate remains at record lows. Inflation also finished the year below 3%, and the Fed looks to have finally halted interest rate hikes. So while the noise socially and politically is not going to stop anytime soon, we do have so much to be excited about at the end of 2023. So what should we look for in 2024? First, it's an election year. Therefore, the political noise is going to be loud. Don't let the noise get to you. Remember, the best thing you can do sometimes is turn off your phone and turn off the TV. Just don't listen to it. Economically, we should be looking at a normal, slow growth year. So what do? We stick to our plans. We invest in long-term if we're a long-term investor. We invest in short-term if we're a short-term investor. We stay diversified. Chances are we'll have a normal 5 to 8% year. But history shows election years normally fare pretty well in the market. So who knows? We may have an even larger return. Whatever may come about, just stick to your plan. Every year I come up with one word. I want to drive my year. This year my word is lead. Personally, I want to be led by my faith and led by others I look up to in order to lead others well. So here's to a year of allowing us to be led so we can lead others. I am so blessed to be able to be here another year to lead those around me. May 2024 be a wonderful year for you and your family.